everyone, welcome back to Lane to Wealth. I'm Claudie, and today we're talking about how Christian women can create a side hustle that brings in $5,400 a month without compromising their faith or values. Now listen, a lot of us were raised on the belief that making money should be humble, quiet, or slow, but let's be real, God never said we have to struggle to be faithful. In fact, in one of my new favorite Bible verses, Deuteronomy 8:18 says, God gives us the power to create wealth, but doing it in a way that aligns with your purpose. So today, I'm breaking down 10 proven ways Christian women are building income online, and you'll want to stay until the end because number 9 and 10 are what's making women thousands every month with little to no effort. Yeah, so let's get into it. So let's start with number 1, digital products on StanStore or Etsy, right? So, okay, let's start with one of the best ways to make money online, selling digital products. Christian women are making thousands of dollars every month selling things like Bible study guides, prayer journals, Christian themed Canva templates, scripture affirmation principles. You can sell these on Etsy, Gumroad, or StanStore. StanStore is amazing because it allows you to host multiple digital products, coaching services, and affiliate links all in one place. And if you're thinking, I'm not a designer, you don't have to be. You can buy templates on Creative Market or Etsy and resell them. Use Canva and start with free templates. You can also hire a designer on Fiverr for 20 to 30 bucks and have them make it for you. And number 2, faith-based subscription boxes. That one is so cute, so unique, and I want one myself. This one is a game changer. A lot of people think subscription boxes are only for beauty or snacks, but faith-based subscription boxes are booming right now. And imagine curating a monthly Christian self-care box with a devotional book, handmade candles with scripture, faith-based jewelry, a personal prayer card. That is so cute. You can use CrateJoy to launch your own subscription box without holding any inventory. If just 200 people subscribe at $35 a month, that's $7,000 a month. Number 3, creating a Christian YouTube channel, faceless or not. Just like me, look at me. I'm creating a Christian YouTube channel, but you don't have to show your face. I am. Even I'm shy, I'm introverted, but I'm still doing it. Christian YouTube is a gold mine right now. You do not have to show your face. You can create Christian affirmation videos, scripture-based meditation music, and short Christian motivational clips. Once you get monetized, YouTube will pay you every month just for uploading videos. And if you're thinking, I don't know how to edit, use CapCut or InVideo. Both have ready-made templates for you. Number 4, teaching on Udemy or Teachable. If you have any skills, whether it's writing, budgeting, social media, or even cooking, you can teach it online. There are Christian finance coaches, homemaking instructors, and even prayer mentors making thousands teaching courses on Teachable, Udemy, and StanStore. Your course can be as simple as 5 to 10 minute video lessons. Create it once and sell it on autopilot. So number 5, selling print-on-demand Christian merch, right? So Christian women are launching print-on-demand stores and selling. They're selling Bible verse t-shirts, Christian mugs and tumblers, faith-based planners. The best part, you never touch inventory. Use Printify, Printful, or Teespring to handle everything. Number 6, self-publishing Christian books. Did you know you can sell Christian books on Amazon without even writing them yourself? You can publish Christian children's books, guys. And illustrators can be hired on Fiverr, especially Black Christian books. Sell low-content journals with scripture verses, create Bible study workbooks. Amazon prints and ships for you through KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. So number 7, become a virtual assistant for Christian entrepreneurs. A lot of Christian entrepreneurs are just becoming really successful. So many Christian entrepreneurs need help with scheduling social media posts, managing emails, customer service, and admin tasks. You can find clients on Upwork, Fiverr, or even through Christian business Facebook groups. Number 8, affiliate marketing for Christian products. So if you already share products you love, why not get paid for it, right? Why are you just sharing it without getting paid? So you can sign up for Amazon Associates for books, Bible study tools, faith-based brands with affiliate programs, and Stand Store to sell digital products and courses. So every time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Number 9, renting on Airbnb or Peerspace, right? So even if you don't own a house, you can rent out a room, backyard, or even an event space or Airbnb or Peerspace. One woman I saw is making $3,500 a month renting out a guest room. She even includes Bible devotionals for guests. That is so cute. Like, that is so inspirational. And number 10, drop servicing, hiring others to do the work for you. Did you ever hear of drop servicing? So here's the secret. You don't have to do the work yourself. Find services people need, like logo design, social media management, or even Christian life coaching, then hire someone on Fiverr to do it for less and keep the profit. It's called drop servicing, just like drop shipping, right? So it's called, and it's one of the easiest ways to start a business without skills. So if you made it this far, you now have 10 ways to start earning money online as a Christian woman. There's no excuse, guys, ladies, no excuse. So which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below, and don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to see it, because you might, share this video and somebody might start their next business and then they're gonna thank you later. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.